I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Filipino-style egg sandwich. First, gather your ingredients: 4 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a pinch of salt and pepper. You'll also need a small amount of vinegar and a dash of soy sauce for that unique Filipino twist. Make sure your cooking tools, like a small pot and a mixing bowl, are clean and ready. Now let's cook those eggs perfectly. Gently place your 4 eggs into a pot of boiling water. Let them cook for exactly 7 to 8 minutes to achieve a firm, yet creamy yolk. Once cooked, immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath for about 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and makes them much easier to peel. Carefully remove the shells, ensuring the whites remain intact. With your eggs peeled, it's time to create the delicious filling. Place the eggs in a bowl and mash them thoroughly with a fork until they are nicely crumbly. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a dash of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Now, for the Filipino touch, stir in a small amount of vinegar and a few drops of soy sauce. Mix everything well until combined. Finally, let's assemble and enjoy your Filipino-style egg sandwich. Lightly toast your 2 slices of bread for a satisfying crunch. Generously spread the flavorful egg mixture onto one slice, then top with the other. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of chopped chives or a dash of paprika. Serve your sandwich immediately to experience its best texture and taste. Don't forget to check the description below for links to smart speakers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.